Hey guys, welcome to another video. So as you can see, today we're doing another Petty Mcgrath Let's Play video, and today I wanted to use the colors that I haven't used. So I think I used every single color, but I haven't used the copper color. I don't remember what it's called. I think it's called bronze copper, which is this one over here. Let me go find out the name for you. I'll be right back. So that one's called Bronze Blaze, and I'm gonna do a look inspired by it. And I kind of have an idea of what I'm gonna do. Yeah, I kind of have an idea of what I want to do. It's gonna be, I'm hoping that it comes out really cool, you know, but I'm not sure, because like the look that I want to do is kind of crazy, as you saw in the thumbnail, because by now it's already done. You guys know what it looks like, but in my head right now I'm like,
it's kind of crazy.
I don't know how well it's gonna turn out. Let me zoom in and we'll get it started. Okay, so the first thing, well, let me show you what I have. So I have full coverage foundation, concealer, a little highlighter, representing, you know, for the flawless people. And what I'm gonna do is actually cover my brows with white. I'm gonna grab a little spoolie like this and the NARS smudge proof eye base. I'm gonna run that through. And I kind of like to make sure that I'm covering the brow as much as I can, because we want this to be able to pick up to the pigment. Okay, now I'm gonna use the white concealer from Kat Von D to make my brows whiter. Perfect. Wow, I'm drooling on myself. And I kind of want them to be white. I was thinking about coloring them skin tone, but I kind of like them like this, you know? Okay, now that we're ready, we can start using the palette, and I'm gonna use Entrapment, and I'm gonna shape out the entire, well actually I forgot to put the eye base on my eyes, so let me do that real fast. I got a couple of people asking me what this brush is from Bobbi Brown, the one that looks like this. This one's called the Eyeshadow brush, and I'm not sure if it's discontinued, but I know that it's really hard to find. And if you go to a store, people tell you like, we don't make that, you know? But they do, they just don't know it's there. Okay, now we're ready. So I'm gonna use Entrapment, and I'm gonna start carving out the eye. I'm gonna start in the inner corner here and really make this a little bit more hollow, since we are not going with a very standout brow. This is gonna have to help us frame the face. Bring it down the nose so it looks like a contour. Perfect, and I'm gonna use this brush over here to draw like wispy lines on the outside of the eye. Now I'm gonna use Entrapment on the under part of the eye to frame it a little bit. I'm gonna use Entrapment again. I'm gonna bring this a little bit higher. Okay, now I'm gonna use Rosegold 005 with my finger on the lid. Okay, with the small crease brush, I'm gonna start working bronze blaze on the outer portions. That looks really pretty. It actually has this really warm tone to it. So to finish out the eye, I'm going to use a little bit of Astral Lunar Gold, just in the middle to kind of give it a nice little metallic finish. So I'm going to apply a little bit of this on my lips too, and I'm going to apply some shimmer to kind of complete a complete look. Put it in the middle of my Cupid's bow just to kind of enhance that. Underneath the lips. Now I'm just gonna go with my finger and use Astral Lunar Gold on the top part. Okay, I'm gonna finish with some mascara eyeliner. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the final look. So as you can see, it's super editorial. It's basically meant for pictures, so it looks pretty amazing in pictures. I have posted a couple of pictures of this on my Instagram, so if you wanna head on over and check it out, they're pretty cool. Very fashion moment, very, oh hi, I'm here. And I'm actually surprised at how the brows came out. I actually wanted them to be white, and I think it looks pretty cool. And I think this does the copper eyeshadow justice, you know, like it makes it like the main piece. It's also very rich looking, you know, full of gold and copper. Anyways, that was the video for this week. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you liked the video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and ring that notification button. Don't forget to share the video too. I will see you guys on the next one.